How to save video from CapCut to gallery. So hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily save the video from your CapCut to your gallery. So first thing first, simply head over to your CapCut application, and inside your CapCut application just click on any of the project you like, simply add the project you like, and as you can see there's an option called export at the top right corner here. And just remember, you need to watch an ad before exporting. So this is for the free, as we are using free version of CapCut. So if you are also using the free version of CapCut, make sure you watch the ad till the end and skip the ad for successfully exporting the clip. So once I click on it, you need to watch this ad for probably like 30 seconds over here. So once you watch the ad, you can see the reward has been granted. You just simply click on the cross button and you can see it will automatically save your clips to the gallery. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.